So what we're doing is we're going out and checking a spring, Mustang spring. I checked it a couple days ago and it was running really slow. Um, so that's where we're going right now, is to check it out. I have plans to come out here on Saturday. We're gonna do some concrete work right at the source. It was, like I said, running real slow 2 days ago, and I don't have very high hopes that it's running like crazy. So, oh, and my Jeep's broke, so but I'll get it fixed. I'm fixing it tomorrow. Um, so I'm driving the truck. Good old trusty F350 Super Duty. 210,000 miles on it. Just broke in. Had to turn on the AC. It's warm out. It's 90 degrees, and I'm pretty sure these horses they need some water. There's another spring 20 miles that way that I was just at. It's clean and clear, and it's almost as if it's too clean because the powers that be have the water coming out and into a tank. And I'm guessing these horses don't want to drink from a tank. They'd rather drink from a puddle in the ground that's all filled up with, well, I guess higher in minerals and salts. I guess those are minerals. I don't know. Is salt a mineral? Not seeing any horses yet. It's a good sign and I guess a bad sign. Anyway, if there's no water flowing or if it's running really, really slow, today I brought my pick and little shovel. Go ahead and make fun of it, but it'll work, I hope. And I'm going to give them some water, and then we're coming back in 2 days and we're going to do a more permanent repair. But I wanted to keep you in the loop and show you what we're doing, just for giggles and snorts, as it were. Whoa, donkeys. A couple of donkeys here, and no horses. Look at that. I've never seen so much horse right here, or donkey. This is horrible. Not looking good. I mean, that isn't looking good at all. Well, I guess we can go take a look at it and see how slow it's running and move those rocks around a little bit and hopefully get more flow. Set a camera and get out of here and let these donkeys come back and get a drink. Anyway, let's wish each other luck. I wish you all luck too. I don't understand this other than, I mean, do you see how much crap there is around here? I mean, I've never seen so much. What are you guys doing crapping in the water hole? Leverage is our friend. go. Woo! Look at that. See that? Nice. I got you some water, donkeys. Look at that. Boy, that makes me happy to do stuff like that. Gosh, dangity. That's just wonderful. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at that. I'm gonna set the camera up and see what this does for an hour, huh? Before they come in here and stomp all around, and I better get that rock laid in over the top of it, or first thing they're gonna do is stomp it in and make my life really, really hard on come Saturday, which is 2 days from now. But look at that sucker go. Here comes our donkey, our first one. I love the reflection that it makes. Donkeys are real cute. Now, I've cut this apart pretty good because I don't think you want to stand and sit and watch too much. I was happy to see that it was popular again. Here comes the first group of 3 bay horses. Just going to let them do their thing and drink. Again, I've cut quite a bit of this out because I want to hold your attention for a while. These horses are absolutely stunning, huh? And they're on high alert all the time. They're a smart looking animal. I just love doing this. These guys were here about 20 minutes and then they all moved on too. Not until they shook it off and stood around for a minute. But away they go. Now, another couple donkeys coming in, get a drink. They're here about 20 minutes. And then they move on. So I've cut quite a bit out. I'll let you watch them. Something spooked them. It's real windy today. That's why I'm not including any audio. It's just all blown out by the wind. That's a good looking little donkey, isn't it? Nice coloring and clean. We'll see you later, donkeys. So this was fun. I came in the evening to get my cameras and came over to check to make sure it was still running, which is what I do. And naturally, I always get tickled when I see that it's still running, but I heard something this time. What is that, I thought.
I heard it twice. Sounded like a horse. So, lo and behold, out pops this horse that's been running back and forth behind my truck. First I'd seen it, and I'm like, you know what? I'll get my camera later. It's still running. Let's get on out of here and let this horse come in and drink. And that's exactly what I did. Is I jumped in my truck, hightailed it, and he didn't mess around at all. He saw I was leaving and he came straight in. Like, I'll trade spots with you. I thought, well, that's fine. That's why I unplugged the spring. So again, I've cut quite a bit of this out. Every time you see it skip, I've cut something. And that's with apologies, but I want you to watch the show. And it's just not very captivating to see a horse stick his face in the water and stand there for 10 minutes filling up with water. This one I had some fun with, though, because after I got the heck out of there, I jumped on my drone and threw it up in the sky, and I went flying with it. Got some real good elevation out of it, so hopefully the horse wouldn't hear me. But I guess maybe he did, and he's used to me. I'm pretty sure. I can tell he's probably smelling me on that rock there, right there. I'm sure they can smell me. And he hears my drone. So I thought, he's had 25 minutes worth of water. He's had plenty. And the shadows are real nice. I think I'll take advantage of this, fly the drone at a real high elevation directly overhead, and catch the shadows of the horse, and play some nice music as we head out of here. I want to thank you for watching Abandoned and Forgotten Footage. Your support means an awful lot. Just watching and watching all the way through really does a lot. Thanks for subscribing and sharing. Remember, let's be good to one another, huh? It's time.